Alright guys, time to look at Trust Wallet on the channel once again, or TWT on the ticker. Now, this is only up about 7.5% at the moment. I know that's not a huge amount, but it's one of the larger, ones in my bag at the moment. And yeah, why not take another look at it? So, you can see, since we hit this resistance at $1.62, we got a rejection. And you can see that this trend line is pretty much holding us down. Basically on the 16th, 17th, and 18th, we pretty much hit this. 18th almost. It wasn't really an exact hit, but like I always say, guys, these lines are not 100% perfect. Maybe I could even adjust this a little bit and bring it down, and it would touch, but doesn't matter, guys. Close enough for me. Today, we tried to break out of this, resistance here, this trend line. And so far, we haven't been able to do that. Now, we also tried to break the weekly resistance at $1, let's say 37, and also got a rejection, guys. So until then, let's see what happens. We do have another couple of days we could spend here before having to make a decision whether to, break this resistance here, this trend line, or go to the downside. So it can go 50-50, guys. Now, I know inflation is much better now, so I do more favor a move to the upside. And basically on the 23rd, we are getting, consumer confidence numbers. Now, taking a look at the tokenomics, guys, basically the circulating supply is about 416 million. That is not a lot, guys. When you think about it, that's pretty good. Total supply is 1 billion. Now, there is no max supply. It's not even listed here, so I'm not even sure if they have a max supply or if it just hasn't been reported or what. But when Trust Wallet gets going, guys, it tends to fly. Anyways, let's take a look at the all-time high. So basically, a little more than 2 years ago, we had an all-time high. Almost $3, actually about, $2.72. Still, 53.5% down at the moment. That's not bad, guys. That's still a pretty good deal. So, Binance is pretty much behind this project as well. So that's why I like it. I even like their wallet. My kids have their wallet. So, yeah, I support Trust Wallet. So, anyways, guys, yeah, I think, once we get above, $1.62, that this is basically going to rocket, and basically this is going to go into the higher, level of trading up here, but there's probably not a lot of volume here. Now, we can check that out real quick. Let me write volume. Now, let's do for the visible range. So, yeah, basically, right now, we're in kind of some heavy volume, so we do have to push our way out of that. But, yeah, I think it's only bound to happen, sooner rather than later, guys. So get ready. I do believe we're going to take this rocket ship much higher for Trust Wallet. Now, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin has had kind of a doji little day. It's been down, it's been up. It's been up as high as $99,540, guys. It's trying to break this weekly resistance here. You can see we pretty much got stuck under it yesterday. Even today, we tried to push through. Now, the good sign is that we did have kind of a big wick here. So, let's see if we can push through this. Preferably would be Monday, so we don't create another CME gap. And actually, someone mentioned on another influencer's channel that there was a CME gap down at 92,000. So basically, it looks like yesterday that probably got filled if that was true. So that is cleared, although we still have a quite large gap from, I think, 76,000 up to, I don't even know where, guys. It's quite a big one, though. It's several $1,000s. Now, taking a quick look at the dominance, this is what is really killing us at the moment if you're holding altcoins. Like myself, you can see that basically, this trend line was broken as of pretty much last night at around midnight. And I put a post on my YouTube here about this, breaking this trend line. And yeah, I mean, we even sealed 2 candles down. It wasn't just like one like here or one like here. We sealed even 2 candles down, but yet have gotten the bounce. And that's really killing alts, guys. I mean, it's headed up again, up here, maybe to this top, and it could even hit this trend line. This was a long-term trend line that we had that held us up until we had this massive crash. And we went down what, like 5 or 6, yeah, 6%, almost 7%, guys. So right now, from the top up here, we are only down like a little bit more than 2.5%. So that's why we're suffering, guys. Nothing we can do. We have to be patient. This is not the end. Don't worry. Alt will surge at some point. However, Bitcoin dominance is just going back up. That's the thing. Hopefully we can hold under 59% here, which is this line. Now we do have 2.5 hours on this candle. It's very possible. You can see that it did get rejected in the last 4-hour candle, but it has since made a higher, high here, so that's not a good thing. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, basically you can see this is the weekly time frame. We are still holding about $3,300, $3,313 actually on this support, and we are maintaining this Fibonacci level, so that's still good, but we were above this Fibonacci and the next Fibonacci level, so we're not going to reclaim that today or probably tomorrow, unfortunately. So we just need to work our way back up. Now, on the daily time frame, I talked about this yesterday, but basically we did break the structure, and if I zoom out here, you'll kind of see we kind of made a M pattern here. We broke down, and basically we caught support all the way down at about 3,100, almost flat, guys. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Ethereum is going back down again, so that is why the dominance is going up for Bitcoin. Basically the alts are following Ethereum. Now as for altcoin season, guys, basically we are still maintaining above these 2 peaks here at 46, I believe. And yeah, we're at 49 right now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, we stay above these peaks. That was my theory all along. I thought we were going to maintain it, maybe get a bounce. So we just have to be patient. So fear and greed, guys, I'm surprised. 73. Let me refresh this just to see if I didn't refresh this. Okay, yeah, I did refresh this, so it is 73. So I'm really surprised it's 73. I'm expecting even lower, especially with all this crashing, guys. Now, the Pi Cycle Top Indicator, guys, pretty much still the same. I can even zoom in a little bit more. You can see it's curving up, but yeah, we're still far away, guys. Now, economic calendar, basically this week, actually next week, sorry, we do have consumer confidence on Monday. That is pretty important, guys. I do think if we get good numbers, that will help Bitcoin and it will boost it. Now, Tuesday, I know many places the 24th is a holiday, but we have core durable goods and durable goods on Tuesday, so that's quite important. Now, Wednesday is a holiday. Thursday, jobless claims, not too important. And Friday, we just have some HPI. That's not important as well so much. Mainly Monday and Tuesday, guys. Very important for, what Jerome Powell is going to decide in the future. Now, one last thing, guys. Taking a look at crypto bubbles, you can see there are a few winners here. These bigger ones are new projects that were in the launch pool in Binance. However, you do have things like Core and Theta, 6% up. So, yeah, Bonk is 7%. We have some small winners, but a lot of small losers across the market too. Like I said, it's up to Bitcoin, in the dominance, guys. So be patient, hang in there. Don't look at the portfolio too much. Go outside with your family. And yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.